get your mouth.
Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code. So for this, just open your browser. For the sake of this tutorial, I am using Google Chrome. You may use any browser you want. Now just type Visual Studio Code and press enter. Now click on the link and you will see this kind of interface where the website will automatically detect your system. I am using Windows, so it has detected my system. Now just click on it and the download will automatically start. See, now I am cancelling it as I have already downloaded. Now let me show you the installation steps. This kind of window will appear when you completely download. Now just click on I accept the agreement and then press next, then press next and then press install. I have already installed it in my system, so I am cancelling it.